Hey y'all, so today I'm here with a what I wore this week video. I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm going to wear for the next 7 days. And like I showed y'all in a previous video, what I've been really liking to do, what's been super helpful to me lately, is to pre-plan my outfits. I will put an outfit together, snap a photo, and I have an album in my phone full of different outfits that I can wear. So I have them in my arsenal ready to go whenever I need an outfit to wear. I can just go in my phone and pick something. So this week I went over my schedule, what I'm gonna be doing, and I chose some outfits from my album to wear. So I'm gonna give you guys a rundown on all of that. Also, I hear you guys loud and clear. I have gotten a bunch of comments like, Kim, what about flat shoes? You wear a lot of heels with your outfits when you do like styling videos. Can you make a video styling flats? There's a lot of people who they don't like heels, or they just find them uncomfortable, or they just, in this season of life, they are not really rocking with heels like that. And I get it, I totally get it. So bonus with this video, every single outfit is gonna be a flat shoe outfit. So I hope this helps you guys out. And for me, I know in the past, I used to feel like flat shoes don't really lend to chic outfits. For me, I would usually put on a heel just because I like that elevation. I feel like it makes me look better. It makes certain clothes fall better. But you can absolutely rock an outfit with flat shoes and still be cute and stylish. So let's go ahead and start off with Monday's outfit. Today, right now that I'm filming this, is actually Monday. So the outfit for Monday is what I'm wearing today. I have these black flat slides. I'm gonna pair it with this bodysuit that has really nice detailing. I have these barrel pants in a similar shade. Gonna throw on a moto jacket to layer. And then I'm going with this bag to infuse some print. And I love to accentuate my outfits with glasses, so I'm wearing these. So this is what my whole outfit looks like. I really enjoy how roomy these barrel pants are. They're almost like the 2025 version of hammer pants to me. The pleating in the front of the pants give a nice silhouette, and I love the detail of the pocket at the back. Comfy elastic waistband makes them really enjoyable to wear, and I feel like the top adds a tasteful wow factor with the peekaboo mesh and the boning. So yeah, tonal monochrome outfits always look chic to me, and going with slightly different shades adds some depth. And I'm actually just wearing this outfit today to go run some errands. I have some packages to pick up. I want to go home decor shopping because I'm looking for something specific. I'm looking for like a plant stand, and I have a vision for it. I think I can find it. So I want to go and find some home decor items. While I'm out, I'll probably grab lunch as well. So this is my errands / lunch look. And it is a little dressy for just, you know, running errands and home decor shopping. But I feel like even on regular days, why not just step it up a notch? You always feel good when you have on a nice outfit. All right, on to the outfit that I have planned for Tuesday. Tuesday, I'm gonna go see a band play, and watching and enjoying live music is one of my favorite things. So I'm really excited. For the outfit, I have these snake print sling back shoes, denim high-waisted wide leg pants. I'm gonna layer on this crop trench. For my glasses, I have these really cool shades I got recently, and I'm going with this bag here. This look, it just gives laid back, effortless cool, which is what I was going for. The jeans, they have a slight stretch to them, so they feel like they mold to your body without being constrictive. I really love the flow. I love the leg width, and the wash is so good. It's so versatile. The pop of print on the shoes really brings the whole look up a notch. I feel like it just makes this outfit look more eye-catching, and of course a pointy toe is so sophisticated. This crop trench, I've been wearing it so much lately. It is such a good spring piece. I love the raw edge hem and just the way it's made and the way it fits overall. And I do want to mention that these heels, okay, they're not exactly flat shoes. They are a kitten heel. Y'all, I have been into kitten heels lately as opposed to wearing a full length 3 or 4 or 5 inch heel. So they're great because they give me that boost of height, but they still are uber comfortable to wear because the heel is barely there. And especially paired with something like a wide leg pant, these are so clutch. But if you want a completely flat shoe, they do make these. I have seen them make these sling back type of shoes completely flat, no heel at all. So while I am wearing a kitten heel, you can definitely get this look with a flat version of this, and it'll look just as nice. So yeah, that's that. And then for the jeans, y'all, I love these jeans so much. I just got them recently. So I have the ones that you just saw me in, and I like them so much. I got them in this dark wash as well. I haven't worn these yet, but I've worn these a couple times already, and they were on sale when I got them. I'm not sure if they're still on sale, but I think they might be. So check it out. I will have all of the outfit details and links down in the description box, FYI. Okay, Okay, so on to Wednesday. Wednesday most likely is gonna be mostly a work from home day. I will at some point leave the house. So for Wednesday's outfit, I need something that is laid back and chill, but still chic enough to be worn outdoors. So for my outfit, I'm going with these slides yet again. I have this top. I'm gonna pair it with these wide leg sweatpants and this really fun bag. Now I could just throw this on and go, but I decided to tuck the front of the top to show a bit of waistline, and I think it looks more put together and stylized this way. So this is a really relaxed, easygoing outfit. It's super comfy. The wide pants paired with the diagonal shoulder of the top create some interesting angles, and I'm into the fact that it looks like a set that I bought together, but it's really not. I got the top and the pants from two totally different stores, but I really enjoy just how cozy this look is. So when I'm at home working on the computer, this will be great for that. And when I need to go out, I can still look really put together and be comfortable. Now with this look, I do have another option for the bag. I wasn't quite sure, so maybe you guys can help me decide. So I was thinking this floral printed bag goes really good with this outfit as well. And I really like how springy and how just ethereal it kind of makes this outfit look. It brings in some more colors and some more tones, and it just gives a sunny feeling to it. So I really do like the way this bag looks with this outfit, but I also like how the other bag is really playful and it keeps the palette more neutral. So y'all let me know your opinion. Do you like the first bag with this look or the second bag with this look? Let me know in the comments. And this top is one of my favorites. I showed y'all in my last styling video. I believe I wore the white one, but I told y'all I have it in 3 colors, and I definitely do. I have the white one, the gray one that you see here, and then I have this tan one. I just love the detailing on the sleeves, the ties with the bell. I can make it like a boat neck, or I can slip it down and wear it off shoulders. I got them years ago though, and I get a lot of questions about them, and I cannot find these online. I can't even find dupes online, so I'm sorry about that because I know somebody's gonna ask in this video. But yeah, I wish I could because I really like them and they're great quality. But on Thursday, I'm gonna be taking my son to his extracurricular activity. And with this, I'm usually just sitting there watching him while he does his stuff. I'm like sitting on the sidelines. I take a book with me sometimes just to pass the time, you know? So I definitely wanted an outfit that was comfortable, easy to wear, kind of sporty. So I'm going with these Pumas for footwear. I have this striped shirt, black wide leg sweatpants, olive strong shouldered jacket. I'm gonna go with my classic Chanel bag, and then these glasses to finish it off. And this is how everything initially looks put on, but I'm gonna alter it slightly by tucking the front of my shirt underneath my sports bra to make it a bit cropped. And I'm hiking up my jacket sleeves, making sure to leave a little shirt showing. I think this jazzes things up, makes it look a little cooler, and I love a good striped moment. It's such a classic, easy way to incorporate a print and break up a bunch of solid colors. It adds interest, and stripes are always in style. And then I think the gold chain of the bag handle looks really regal against this olive jacket. So it's a laid back look. I have my Pumas on, but it's still really stylish. And more I'm starting to wear my more luxe handbags on just a regular basis, because in the past they would just sit in my closet. I would only wear them if I was like going out somewhere fancy or doing something that I felt was deserving of a bag. But now I'm just like, these are things that are here for me to use. They're not here to just sit on the shelf and collect dust. So I've been incorporating my more higher end pieces on a day-to-day basis, and I really do enjoy a high-low look. I think it looks very classy. So for Friday, I actually have 2 outfits planned because it's gonna be a pretty action-packed day. I have 2 separate events that I'm going to. First up, I am going to brunch. There's this restaurant that I haven't tried yet that's supposed to be really good. I'm really excited to go there and see how the food is. So for that outing, I have these studded flat gladiator sandals. I have this twisted top. I'm gonna pair that with this cream skirt with a split in the front. I always love a print, so I'm going with this snakeskin bag and these gold rimmed clear shades. This outfit just makes me so happy. I cannot wait to wear it. I just love how it looks. I love this black and cream color. The shoes, they really amp it up a notch, especially with the studding on it. I got these shoes years ago. They've been hiding out in my closet. I almost forgot forgot about them, and I'm glad that I've rediscovered them because they are so good. I'm gonna be wearing these a lot more from now on. This top is a piece I got recently that I think is such a good addition to my wardrobe. It goes great with anything high-waisted, I feel. It's simple, but the way it's made, it really adds that wow factor. And of course, y'all know I love snake print for just infusing another texture and another pattern into an otherwise solid colored outfit. So that is what I have planned on wearing to brunch. And then for my second event on Friday, my son's school is having like an exhibit type of thing. So I'm gonna go to that. I'm obviously not gonna go to his school in the outfit that I wore to brunch. So I'm gonna go home and change it to something a little more, you know, school appropriate. So I'm going back to these black slides. I have a blue button up, these high-waisted skinny jeans. I'm gonna accent with this belt. I really love the detailing on it. I'm gonna go with my floral bag and then these glasses. This button down, it just gives such a smart, casual look. I love this blue color. I got it not too long ago, and I've been wearing this shirt so much. I love the fit of it, and it's just so easy to wear. So I did a front tuck with this and I left the back long. I really like that silhouette, and it also shows off the belt. Like I said, I love the gold touches. It's such a unique look, and it pairs really great with my bag. This bag is something that I've been wearing a lot as well. Of course, the flats, very comfortable, very easygoing. So yeah, that is my second look for Friday. For Saturday, we are taking the kids to a birthday party actually. So what I'm wearing for that, I have these slides with these kind of pom-pom balls on them, really cool. Pleated barrel pants, and then I'm gonna pair it with this sleeveless turtleneck in a similar shade. Going with this bag for some contrast, and these glasses to set everything off. This outfit definitely makes me feel so freaking awesome. I think it would be great for the party because, you know, with birthday parties, you really just let your kids run around and go crazy, and it's comfortable enough to allow me to run after the kids if I need to, but it's also chic enough where I feel stylish. I feel really nicely put together. This cream on cream on cream, it just looks so clean and crisp. It's simple, but the details really step it up. The high-waisted pants with the pleating and the way that the legs bellow out and gives that volume is super nice. And then the shoes with the texture and the balls on it gives you another thing to focus on. Yeah, it's light, it's bright, it's airy, it's chic, it's unique. It just gives super cool mom vibes. Last up, Sunday's outfit. Most likely for Sunday, we're gonna be taking the kids to like an indoor play place, let them run around, burn off some energy. So I want something super comfortable, super chill, really laid back. So I have these flat shoes, and then this two-piece set in a sheeny scuba material. I have the hoodie and the wide leg pants. I am gonna go with this bag and these glasses. I love the volume on this outfit, and this blush color is so sweet. I just adore this shade. It is starting to warm up, so this outfit may look like a wintertime outfit, but of course in those play place areas, they have it air conditioned and stuff like that. So I'm not really too concerned about being hot. I just wanted to make sure that I was cozy, comfortable while I'm sitting there eating, drinking, watching the kids run around and play. So I think this outfit is perfect for that. With the hoodie, it has like a drawstring and some tabs so you can cinch in the hoodie, and I tucked it under to make it cropped, but worn just on its own is very long and very baggy. So I definitely wanted to add a little bit more of a feminine shape to it, but I can see this as being a really cool travel look as well. The material on this, y'all, is so soft, and it just feels like butter. I cannot even describe to you how amazing this feels on. So I love wearing this look. So yeah guys, that is everything that I'm wearing this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the looks. Let me know which look you like the best, and like I said, I will have all outfit details down below. Check that out if you want any links to anything. I really hope this was helpful, especially since it featured all flat shoes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.